items that were imported imported items were gold, silver, amethyst, all these things were imported. लैपिस लाजुली को हिंदी में कहते हैं लाजवर्द मणि। बहुत महंगा होता है जो लोग हाथों में पहनते हैं। लोग पहनते नहीं है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट, वो ज्योतिष लोग देख के बताते हैं ये पहन लो तो बस सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, बहुत महंगा होता है। मालिक टाइप का लैपिस लाजुली, इट वाज फ्रॉम बदख्शां, बदख्शां BADAKSHAN, बदख्शां, बदख्शां। व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग इन हिंदी एज वेल, कि ताकि आप प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छे से कर सकें। बुरा ना मानना कि इंग्लिश मीडियम की क्लास में हिंदी लिख रहे हैं, आप ही के लिए, वरना लैपिस लाजुली समझ ही नहीं पाओगे। अब कम से कम लाजवर्द मणि में समझ में तो आया, मणि नाम सुना है, मणि आइटम, सो इट इज लाजवर्द मणि। रेडिश कलर का होता है, जैसे मूंगा वगैरह आपने देखा ना, उससे उसी कलर का होता है, बहुत ही हाईली प्रीसियस आइटम है। तो दिस बदख्शां प्रोविंस वाज देयर इन अफगानिस्तान, in Afghanistan this province was there, that was obtained. Clear? All these items were gold was imported from Iran, silver Afghanistan, Iran, amethyst. What is amethyst? Amethyst is also a precious metal, so imported. So these were the things. So this is the import. So now the question is export. So gentlemen, export from Indus Valley civilization, agricultural produce. Number one. Number two, finished goods. What do you mean by finished goods? तैयार किया गया फाइनल आइटम, लाइक हियर यू कैन से, हियर यू कैन से, हियर यू कैन से, हियर यू कैन से टेराकोटा, 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 टेराकोटा। यू वुड बी आस्किंग सर व्हाट इज टेराकोटा? बेटा टेराकोटा मीन्स पकी हुई मिट्टी के बनाए हुए खिलौने। Today you go into the market, you buy the clay, you make the toy, but if you will bake that toy, then it will become terracotta. So terracotta, some other sculptural items like beads, beads means manka, manka. Do you know manka? Nowadays fancy items used to people wear different color stone. एक माला टाइप का, मतलब different coloring stone is there. समझ गए? All these things were exported. Clear? This is external trade. Internally they were doing the trade inside. So this is all about trade and commerce of Indus Valley civilization. Clear? Okay? Now amethyst बताया तो बेटा, precious metal. Sir, why this lapis lazuli is more costly? अरे भाई रत्न है। अब मूंगा अलग रेट, पुखराज अलग रेट, अमेरिकन डायमंड अलग रेट, डायमंड अलग रेट, शौक है। चलिए अब कह दो सर सोना काहे महंगा होता है और लोहा काहे सस्ता होता है, एल्यूमिनियम काहे सस्ता होता है? अब हम काहे बताएं, हम क्या जाने काहे सस्ता होता है। जिन्होंने बनाया ये परंपरा बन गई कि सोना बहुत महंगा, लोहा बहुत सस्ता। बस ISC बढ़िया क्यों होता है, PCS क्यों नहीं बढ़िया होता है? आईएससी क्यों, आईपीएस क्यों नहीं, आईएफएस क्यों, इंडियन फॉरेस्ट सर्विस क्यों नहीं? है अपना अपना परंपराएं हैं, इसलिए आप भी मस्त रहिए, बस इसको नोट कर लीजिए और एग्जाम में आए तो टिक कर दीजिए। हमारा आपका इन केन प्रकारेण परीक्षा पास करना, ओके, और आप पास करेंगे, कोई दो राय नहीं, बशर्ते जितना मैं बोर्ड पे लिख रहा हूं, वट एवर आई एम डूइंग ऑन द बोर्ड, यू जस्ट नोट डाउन वर्ड बाय वर्ड, रिवाइज इट एंड गो इन द एग्जाम विथ फुल कॉन्फिडेंस, ओके, समझे? नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं, तो आई थिंक मेजर पार्ट इज ओवर। नाउ सम miscellaneous fact is required from exam point of view, and in the miscellaneous script, the script is Brustopodane style, is Brustopodane style, Brustopodane style. Actually, this script is there and something is written from right to left. Along with this, some signs are also there. Till date, it is not deciphered. Deciphered means अभी तक इसको पढ़ा नहीं जा सका है। And gentlemen, this script is also pictographic means, सर नाराज मत होना, हिंदी है इसकी, चित्रात्मक, चित्र बने हुए हैं। This is the script. One more aspect is there. Few people are of the opinion that it is somehow associated with the Dravidian script. Some are of the opinion. Dravidian script. Clear? Please note down Dravidian script. Next, mysterious fact. In context, because you know, when IVC was there, Afghanistan was there, Pakistan was there. After the independence, now Pakistan is separated, Afghanistan is separated. So in Indian context, in Indian context, sites in descending order. So one is, the biggest site is Dhaulavira, and it is followed by Ropar. Descending sites, घटते क्रम में। Overall, if you want to know, the number one wala, followed by Mohenjo-daro, followed by Harappa, followed by Indian site Dhaulavira, followed by Ropar. This is the overall picture. overall picture. Now, this is early Harappa. This is pre-Harappa. This is mature Harappa. And this is late Harappa. Or later Harappa, you can say. Early Harappa, pre-Harappa. Early Harappa timeline 5000 BC to 3000 BC. 3000 BC to 2550 BC. Mature Harappa 2350 BC till 750 BC. Here chronology is required to understand, so I am giving you the chronology. Early Harappa, before Harappa, means in practical term, class timing was today 9 a.m. Someone is sitting 1 month, since one month early, before the class. Mature, class is going on after the class. Early Harappa, rural settlement, in pre-Harappa, rural settlement increased, pottery in different style, here pottery, mature Harappa, rise of urban cities, script, trade, commerce, use of burnt brick, in Harappa, urban cities, script, trade, burnt brick. Means here you can say by this time decline of the civilization. It will help you to understand how the development took place. This mature Harappan site is Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibanga. Early Harappa site is Amri, नोट दीजिए। बेटा इन लेटर हड़प्पन हाउ दे वर प्रेजेंट, मैंने कट्टम बट्टम का निशान बनाया है ना, सी कट्टम बट्टम, हम लोग कट्टम बट्टम पहले खेलते थे ना। फिनिश, डिक्लाइन। नाउ a very important question now arises, decline. What were the are factors? Why decline? Why? It is a matter of two views. One view says sudden decline, and one view says gradual decline. That says sudden decline, they put example number 1, foreign invasion, and here foreign invasion is Aryan invasion theory. Second one, earthquake. Third one, flood. Fourth one, malaria. Let us examine one by one. 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 Foreign invasion, Aryan invasion. Will do historically, chronologically. Aryans came into India 1500 BC, will do the beginning of Rig Vedic period. Rig Vedic period starts chronologically 1500 BC. See here. You tell me, decline of Harappa, what is the timeline? See my ungli. 1750 BC. 1750 BC. You tell me gap. You tell me by writing your answer on the board, how many year gap? घटाना तो आता होगा, दोनों के बीच में कितने साल का गैप आ रहा है? वेरी गुड, 250. वेरी गुड, 250 year gap. You tell me any knowledge, information, leave it history. Do you think chronologically the civilization which came to an end in 1750 BC, how can anyone be responsible after 250 years later? Just see chronologically. The civilization is ending in 1750 BC. Rig Vedic period starts in 1500 BC. How can that one be responsible who is coming 250 year? So chronologically, because history is based on fact and chronology, date, sequence, इतिहास, इति जो हो चुका उसका अध्ययन. So it does not seem truth. This is the negation. I also give you the point on which basis this theory was promulgated by the British historian. Actually, not required here in GS, but just I am telling you. You should know. Some you people would be having history optional. In optional, I teach in detail this topic. Actually, you know, in Rigvedic period, the chief god is Indra. Just try to understand. Basis. On what basis they said this? On what basis foreign Aryan were responsible made by these historians? Indra name is there, and you know Indra is also called Purandar. Gentlemen, Pur means fort. Dar means breaker, break karna. Fort breaker. अब now they are putting the logic. कौन से फोर्ट को इंद्र ने तोड़ा? तो they are saying this fort. See on the board. Fortified, na? See? So this fort was break by Indra. Therefore, because his name is Purandar. Point number 1. Point number 2. In Rig Veda, one word is mentioned, and that is Hariyupya. Hariyupya. They are saying this Harappa is their Hariyupya. Whereas in the Rig Veda, that is used in different context. So these type of some references are support. But historically, on the basis of the very chronological fact, it is refuted. Earthquake, you tell me, is it possible that an earthquake will abolish the whole civilization that was spread in such a long area? पूरी की पूरी सभ्यता खत्म हो सकती है क्या अर्थक्वेक से? अरे भाई, suppose that earthquake in Delhi, severe earthquake, so Delhi nearby areas would be affected, कि पूरा का पूरा civilization खत्म हो जाएगा बेटा. तो it is also refuted. Flood, इतना बड़ा flood कि पूरा का पूरा civilization over. Malaria, of course, they are responsible for that place or nearby place, but not the whole civilization. How it is possible, बेटा? लॉजिक नहीं समझ में आ रहा. फैक्ट में जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. लॉजिक की बात करो. लॉजिक, तर्क तर्क तर्क. तो दिस थ्योरी ऑफ सडन डिक्लाइन इज ओवरऑल refuted. Overall refuted. Then came this part. Then came this part. Gradual decline. They said, see here, over the time, population got increased over the time. But no technological development. So result is over and above exploitation of resources. Result is ecological imbalance. Ecological, and this ecological imbalance resulted into river started dried up. Okay. When river started dried up, it led to what? Decline of IVC. मैं क्लास के अंदर अपनी चीजों को बता देता हूँ. So clear? Led to decline. So this is all about decline of IVC, just a broader understanding, and it is not required for GS purpose. But no. Okay. Means the same theory which is nowadays put forward, ecological imbalance, ecology. So all these things are there. Clear? Over and above exploitation, natural degradation. So IVC is over, and I hope one part is left. Sculpture is left. That sculpture I will cover in art and culture. This will not cover in art and culture. I will say you. Okay? So this is all about the class. Next topic is will do start Vedic period. Important sites: Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chanhudaro, Kalibanga, Ropar, Lothal, Dholavira. Okay. So now we'll meet tomorrow, and next class we'll do Vedic period. Now it is my humble request to all of you, just go and revise whatever we have done. Thank you. Namaste.